Many people have often associated the Chinese with good food. This common perception is well founded based on the Chinese population's love of a sumptuous meal. In contrast to Western cultures, the Chinese are only concerned with one aspect of their food: the taste. As long as the food tastes good, it deserves its place on the dining table. They're not remotely concerned with other factors such as calorie intake and fat content. Surprisingly though, as much as the Chinese love their food, they don't seem to be gaining excess weight. To help you understand the secrets of this phenomenon, we will talk about 12 essential tips that the Chinese rely on to lose weight. And, as usual, at the end of this video, I will tell you the topic of the next video. So, stay with us until the end. Okay, let's get started! Number 1. Rice and noodles. Chinese people love their rice and noodles. They are not overly concerned with the calories and carbohydrates in them. However, their weight is not affected by it either. Why change the tradition when it's defying the odds? Number 2. Eat as a family. Chinese restaurants are famous for their family-style serving. Instead of eating individual meals, try ordering dishes to be shared around the table. The unwritten rule is to have 3 separated dishes, 1 main dish and 2 sides to accompany it. The only thing in front of you should be rice and noodles. By sharing dishes, you are consuming less, and it acts as a diet control mechanism. Number 3. Smaller bowls, smaller portions. Chinese cutleries are known for their small sizes. Consuming meals in these bowls and plates can help to achieve weight loss, as you are only presented with a couple of scoops of rice and small servings of dishes that you can squeeze into the bowl. You can help yourself to a second serving, but naturally, you will refill smaller portions each time. In the long run, you would actually consume less than if you were to eat individual meals. Number 4. 3 meals a day. This practice is drilled into the Chinese from young. In addition to eating together, their meal times are prefixed and split into breakfast, lunch, and dinner. They strongly believe that breakfast is the most important meal of the day and strongly advise against skipping it. While it might be impossible to consume each meal together as a family, having a fixed meal schedule helps the body to regulate its energy levels, which will aid in weight loss and healthy lifestyle. Number 5. Vegetables take center stage. Most of the time, a Chinese meal revolves around vegetables as the main dish. This tradition is probably the most effective towards weight loss, as vegetables are packed with nutrients and contain fewer calories. As Western dishes mostly rely on vegetables for aesthetic purposes, their benefits are neglected. Fight tiredness and boost your energy. Number 6. Balance wet and dry dishes. Chinese culture believed that it's essential to strike the perfect balance in everything, and this principle is heavily applied in their meals. For every moist dish, there must be a dry dish to provide balance. For every source of protein, a counter source of carbohydrates must be present. The Chinese firmly believe that achieving equilibrium in each meal helps to maintain good energy flow and prevents weight gain. Number 7. Introduce soup. Another dish to consider is soups. Most Chinese soups contain herbal ingredients that help to enhance body functions and improve health conditions. Alternatively, the Chinese also consume porridges regularly, as it's essentially rice mixed with water, combining two benefits into one dish. Number 8. Steamed dishes. A trademark of Chinese culinary is their preference for steamed dishes over other methods of cooking. Not only do they steam vegetables, but they are also known to steam meat and eggs. Steaming helps to retain the vital nutrients and minerals in the dish. In addition, it does not require the use of oil and other seasonings. Number 9. Green tea. The Chinese have been obsessed with green tea for many years. They firmly believe in its ability to cleanse the body of any toxins due to the high antioxidant content in each drink. Additionally, drinking a cup of green tea after each meal helps to eliminate the craving for other unhealthy alternatives such as soft drinks. Number 10. Super juices. One of the trends that originated from the Chinese is the reliance on super juices for weight loss. These super juices are concocted to act as a detox agent and cleanses the body of any toxins. By eradicating the harmful elements in the body, it helps to promote better functions of their internal systems that can effectively aid in achieving weight loss targets. Number 11. Eat the leftovers. The Chinese are well known for being frugal and are strongly against wasting good food. For example, any leftover rice can be stored and used the following day to cook up a sumptuous meal of fried rice. As most of the dishes are prepared without the use of oils, they can also be stored easily and heated up later for consumption. This practice of recycling food is a good way to ensure that no healthy food is wasted and the body gets to experience the full range of its benefits. Number 12. Lay off the snacks. The 3 meals a day rule is a strict principle in each Chinese household. They do not advocate the practice of eating snacks at the odd hours. They treat the body as a sacred temple, and offerings in the shape of meals should only be given at periodic times. This helps the body to function in a uniform manner and provide enhanced energy levels for daily activities. In conclusion, the Chinese culture of preparing and consuming each meal is drastically different from the Western population. They firmly believe in the practice of eating standard meals together in a family setting and sharing their dishes with each other. Most of their dishes are prepared through the healthier way of steaming without the use of oils. In this way, the fundamental nutrients and vitamins are retained and absorbed by the body. Through these factors, the Chinese are able to indulge in delicious meals without the fear of gaining excessive weight. In the next video, we will talk about a magical drink made with raw garlic and honey that helps you lose weight. Thank you very much for being with us in this video, and I hope to see you in the next video. Have a nice day!